Hey, welcome to another edition of Australia Diaries. I'm Sharmishta Guptu here today on Bondi Beach. The whole Rev Sports team is here today. We were really down after the Indian defeat yesterday. So we decided to take a day off here on Bondi Beach. Bondi Beach is a lovely place. It's one of the most famous beaches in the world, and today we have the sunny skies. The sun is really hot. It's in the afternoon now, and Bondi Beach is full of people. The water is different shades of blue, and we're all here. We've soaked our feet in the water. We didn't go in too deep. But it's really lovely. The wind is in our faces. It's really lovely to be here on this beach. So stay with me for some of the visuals here. And while on Bondi, I also tried some of my yoga stretches. That's the lifeguards station there, and there we see some surfers surfing into the beach. There they are. I'm sure they're all very good for swimmers. There they are. And I'm sure it's low tide now because the last day that we were here over the weekend, the water was coming up much higher, and one of the lifeguards came and told us that it's best people don't go very deep into the water now. But now the water's not coming that high, so it seems it's low tide now. And the other thing I'm noticing about this beach, which of course is very clean, is that there are no seashells. Unlike in the beaches in India that I've been to, I'm not finding any seashells here. There's another of the surfers going into the water now to join his friends. There's some more with the blue surfboards. There's a child there and she's digging a pit in the sand. There, joined by her friend there. There's Trisha and Gargi there. Wave, girls! Wave at us!
Hello!
They're contemplating whether to go deeper into the water or just allow the water to come up to them there like that. Bondi Beach is full of people, as you can see here. But today is a Monday. It's much more on a weekend. On a weekend, you can't even see the beach. You can barely see the beach. You can only see bodies and heads. People tanning themselves, enjoying the sun, enjoying this blue sky. And the sand is remarkably clean. Bondi Beach, the sand is yellow. It's like a creamy yellow. You won't find people throwing things here. You won't find any rubbish on the beach. Even though, you know, it has such a huge footfall. There's a little kid. I'm sure his parents are somewhere near.
I'm building a mountain of sand and I'm trying to see how much sand I can put.
How much sand you can accumulate? Is it a sand castle?
No, it's just a heap of sand.
It's just a heap of sand, and Aisha has been on our
And I got soaked to death.
and only Arjun is alive. Devanshu is on camera. Isha is watching the water. And Aisha is building a mound with the sand. Here, Trisha has been inspired by Aisha's sand mound. So she has had enough of the water, and now she is. What is this that you're doing, Trisha? Why are you covering your feet in sand? Are you sure you're going to be able to get out of there?
Yes. Yes, I'll be able to get out of there. It's fun to hide your feet.
Alright, so she says it's fun to hide her feet, and that's what she's trying to do. So I hope everybody enjoyed those visuals of the team Rev Sports at Bondi Beach. Once again, Bondi Beach is an amazing place to come to, and we've been working really hard throughout the tour, this Australia tour, and now that the matches have ended, we've taken a day off to come here, and you can see lots of people under the shades, people going into the water and then coming in to rest a little bit. Behind me, or rather this side in front of me, there's lots of cafes, lots of places to eat, restaurants and hotels. Bondi is one of the foremost tourist destinations of the world, and here we are today, and signing off now from this edition of Australia Diaries.